Welcome back to Excel with Ernest. Please like, share, and follow TechieTrain on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. We are still on the function series, the Excel function series. We'll be answering more questions on this data set using our data set. So we'll be using the functions in Excel to answer all these questions on this data set. Now let's get right into it. The next question we have here, we answered previously in the last video. We answered how to convert the officer name to proper case, how to convert the port name to uppercase, and how to remove extra spaces from remarks. In this video, we have to extract the first three letters of cargo. We'll come and use a very unique function. Let's call it 3 because we are removing 3 letters of the cargo. As from the cargo code, only the first 3 letters shall appear. So we should extract the first 3 letters of the cargo code. So we have to remove the first 3 letters. To do that, we use what we call the left function. The left function returns the specified number of characters from the start of the string. So ELE-4590, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is 9 characters. Each letter is considered a character in Excel. So left bracket open, D2, since you are working with the cargo code, then space. The first one is to put where the text is, the location of the text or the text itself. Then the second is to remove the number of characters, which is 3. What left means is that start from the left on D2. Which is ELE.DC, and count 3. Return 3 letters, the first 3 letters, 1 2 3. That's what that left actually means. And as we see, we have it here. Our ELE that was here has been extracted. Now we can just double click on this. Let's reduce this, since you're not using them. So double click on it. It will return only the first 3 letters of the functions of the words in the cargo So now they said we should extract the last 2 letters of the cargo. Three, 2, 1. To extract the 3 letters of the cargo, the last 2 letters of the cargo, we do this, which is the exact opposite of the left. We use the right. Let's call it 2. So we are extracting the last 2 letters. To extract the last 2 letters, left, start from the left and count. Right, the right function, start from the right to count, which is N and G. So we find the range, the column which we want this function to take effect on. which is write D2, comma, then we want 2 letters, so it will start from the left, count 2 characters, and return it back to us. So when you click, we have our ng here. Now when you fill, you have ng. So we've established left is for counting characters from the left, right is for counting characters from the right, and final question is count the number of characters in staff ID. So in staff ID, we should count the number of characters in staff ID. So let's reduce this and reduce this. So after reducing that, to count the total number of characters in our string, which is our staff ID, we start from E2. To do that, we use the length function equals to len returns the number of characters in a text string. So the total number of characters in this string will be st. Okay, we are not using that. We use the range, that is the name of the cell, which is A2. And there we have it, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hyphen 2 is counted. Every character in the cell will be counted. Then we just fill this, and we are good to go. So what we've established now with these questions is that the functions we've covered in these questions are the proper function, which is putting the first letter of a word, all the first letters of a word, inside capital letter. The upper function, which is putting all of them inside uppercase, which is turning all the words, all the letters, all the characters in a value in a cell or in a word to capital letter. Trim, to remove excess space before and after. So only the spaces in between is left. Left is to count characters, the number of characters in a cell value or in a word from the left. Right is the same but counting from the right, and len is to count the number of characters in a specified cell. So if you use lens here, so we have 11 here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's why we have 11 here, as you can see. So the lens is for counting the number of characters in the specified cell range. Okay, we've covered all the questions, we've answered all the questions for this data set. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll continue answering more questions as we progress. Ernest out.